In this video, I will be showing you how to use Google Bard AI. It's so simple. All you have to do is to go to your Google web browser and type Bard AI and then click. So obviously it appears at the very first. Okay, so all you have to do is to click this one. Now, for those who don't have any idea about this one, in order to compete with ChatGPT and Bing's AI chat feature, Google Bard has finally arrived. Anyone in the US or the UK can join the Google Bard queue right now and utilize the beta version of the program without paying a penny. Here's how to use Google's AI chatbot and gain access to Google Bard. Visit the official Google Bard website to have access to the beta version of Google Bard. After clicking the link to join the waitlist, click the blue Join Waitlist button. You'll need to log in and using your Google account, same with ChatGPT. You will get a "You've been added to the waitlist" message from Bard, no reply at google.com once you've joined the waitlist. Another email with the subject "It's your turn to try Bard" will be sent to you when you can have access to Bard AI. Now, this is really same with ChatGPT. For example, you're going to ask something and then you need an answer urgently. So all you have to do is to type the question. Same with Bard AI and then press enter, and probably you can receive the smartest answers ever. So I hope that you can have this access soon. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.